In Georgia, a significant court decision is coming up. The Georgia Court of Appeals has scheduled a hearing for October 4th to address whether Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis should continue to prosecute former President Donald Trump in the election interference case. Trump and his co-defendants want Willis removed because of her prior romantic relationship with Nathan Wade, a special prosecutor in the case. Judge Scott McAfee had ruled in March that Willis could stay on the case if Wade stepped down, which he did. However, Trump's team believes Willis still has a conflict of interest. The appeals court will now decide if Judge McAfee's decision was correct. The hearing will include arguments from Trump's attorneys, who claim there's an odor of mendacity concerning Willis's conduct. The court may decide this case without new evidence, focusing on previous court findings. This case has far-reaching implications, especially with the presidential election looming on November 5th. Experts agree that it is highly unlikely the trial will begin before the election. The court's decision is expected by mid-March 2025, as stipulated by the Georgia Constitution. This timing means the case will affect public opinion during the election cycle, regardless of the outcome. Willis, initially rebuked but not removed by Judge McAfee for her judgment lapses, faces criticism from Trump's defense for her relationship with Wade. This relationship has cast a shadow over the integrity of the prosecution. Some legal experts argue that if Willis recuses herself, it could destabilize the entire prosecution due to the perceived taint on her office's power. The appeals court, comprising judges Todd Markle, Trenton Brown, and Benjamin Land, will review arguments from Trump's lawyers, who filed briefs challenging Willis's involvement 20 days after the official docketing. The court's decision will influence whether the trial proceeds smoothly or faces further delays. The broader context of this case dates back to allegations that Trump and 14 co-defendants attempted to overturn the 2020 election results favoring President Joe Biden. Some co-defendants have pleaded guilty, but Trump and key allies like Rudy Giuliani and Mark Meadows maintain their innocence. As the case progresses, both sides are preparing for trial, despite the pending appeal. Judge McAfee allows preparatory work, but warns that a full trial is improbable while the appeal is unresolved. The situation remains fluid, with potential delays and legal strategies in play, ensuring that this high-profile case will continue to capture public attention.